specs and performance. Older chipset found in early 2016 smartphones like Galaxy S7. It's still going to play all of the 3D games you throw at it today. MicroSD card slot lets you add up to 256 GB of extra storage. The heart of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 is the Snapdragon 820. It's a new chipset for the tablet series, but one we saw in several dozen Android phones in 2016. The good news here is that this Qualcomm SoC, system on a chip, is powerful enough to run all the latest 3D games, and it'll be that way for a long time to come, as it's going to remain compatible with newer titles for some time due to its immense popularity among handsets. Market rules. Now for the sobering news, this is last year's chipset, with 4 GB of RAM, the one that made its debut in the Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge. The Galaxy S8 in the US is 2 chips ahead with the Snapdragon 835. Pogo pins mean instant connectivity and no charging, unlike Bluetooth keyboards. When you're buying a future-proof device with the world's first HDR-ready screen on a tablet, it's kind of curious as to why the chipset lags behind other top-tier phones. It's smooth, however, for now at least. Samsung has chosen to include 32 GB of internal storage, and you can easily expand that with an extra 256 GB, with the Tab S3 including a microSD card slot for more future-proofing. What we like about this is you're not pressured into buying more expensive storage sizes today, but can upgrade down the road when you need the space.